Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. In the last video we discussed multiplication of two-digit numbers. In this video we will discuss multiplication of three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Let's start. Question number 1. 175 multiply by 24. When you will write 24, you will write 4 under ones column and 20 below 7's column. Multiplication sign here. Use ruler. Draw a line. Yes, in 24 is the multiplier. Which number we are going to first multiply? Good. We will multiply first by 4. 4 means the digit at unit place. Height 20. Now we will multiply 175 by 4. We will start multiplying first by ones, tens and hundreds. Let's start. 4 5 times 20. Good. 0 down. Carry 2 above tens place. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Good. 0 down under tens column and 3 up in hundreds column. Now 4 1 times is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Write 7 under hundreds column. Now we have multiplied 175 by 4 is equal to 700. This is our first answer. Now we will multiply by 20. Before we start multiplying by 20, we will cut carries so that you will not add again 20. G. If you have remembered what we have told you, very good. We will put 0 under ones column because we are going to multiply by 20. Height 1. Now we will multiply 175 by 20. That's why we have put 0 under ones column. 2 5 times 10. This is the product. You will of 2 multiplied by 5, put 0 down and add carry, write carry up above tens column. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Very good. 5 here. 1 goes up in hundreds column. 2 1 times is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So we will write 3 under 1000. What will we do now? First we have multiplied 175 by 4. First answer is 700. Then we have multiplied 175 by 20 and your answer is, second answer is 3500. What will we do after this? Very good. We have to add. Put addition sign. G. Again we will start ones, adding ones, tens, 100 and then thousands. 0 plus 0, good, 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5, 12. Write 2 here, 1 above 1000 column. 3 plus 1, 4. Now we have multiplied 175 by 24 and your final answer is 4200. And what this called? Good. This is called product. Answer that comes after multiplication is called product. I hope you understood this. Let's do word problem on multiplication. I'm going to read A packet contains 144 balloons. Find the number of balloons in 24 such packets. First of all, you will circle the given information. A packet contains 144 balloons. Find the number of balloons in 24 such packets. Then underline the question. Find the number of balloons in 24 such packets. First try to understand a packet, 24 such packets. It means that 144 balloons are in one packet. And you are going to find number of balloons in 24 such packets. What will we do here? We will multiply. How did you know? A packet given, number of balloons in a packet given, and we are going to find number of balloons in 24 such packets. First we will write statements. Number 1. You will not write number 1. Number of balloons in a packet, or number of balloons a packet contains. Number of balloons a packet, not packets. A packet contains how many? 144. What is circled information or numbers under circled? 24 packets. 24. What is this? 24 packets. How will we write? Number of packets. Number of packets. A packet, number of packets. How many? 24. Find the number of balloons in 24 such packets. So what we are going to find? Total number of balloons. Total number of balloons in how many packets? Good. In 24 such packets. Such packets. What will we do here? What do you think? Add or multiply? We can add. Number of balloons in one packet 144, in the second packet 144, third packet 144. It's very long when we'll find 1, 2, third packet, then 24 packets. It's very difficult to add. So what will we do? Good, we will multiply. Yes, this is short method. Now we will do sum. 144 multiplied by 24. Now 144 multiplied by 24. First we will multiply by 4. Very good. Hide tens. 144 multiplied by 4. 4 times 16. Carry. Good. Above tens. 4 times again 16. 16 plus 1 17, write 7 where? Under 10th column or below 10th column. What is carry? 1 carry, right above 100. Now we have multiplied ones, tens, and last is 400 times. 1 is at 100 place, 4, 1 time 4 plus 1 is 5. Good. Now 144 multiplied by 4. First answer is 576. What we will do next? What will we do next? Yes, we will cut carry. We will cut carry. Now, which number we are going to multiply? 20. When we are going to multiply by 20, what should we do? Very good. You remembered. We will put 0 under 1's column and hide the digit 4 at 1's place. 2 4 times 8. You will write 8 and below tens. Now multiply by tens. 2 by 4. 2 4 times 8. No carry. Alright. Write 8 as it is. 2 1 times 2. We will write 2 in 1000 place. What will we do now? We will add. Very good. Addition sign. G. Start from one column. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 7 plus 8, 15. Write 5 under tens and carry above 100. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 down, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. Now 144 multiplied by 24 is 3456. So total number of balloons in 24 such packets is 3456. We write answer. So total number of balloons in 24 such packets is 3456. So this is our final answer. Now students, whenever you will do statement sums, you will write statements first and then make sum. Look carefully and read the question at least 2 times, then you will decide what to do. And in the last you will write the answer statement. Then your word problem is completed. If you will miss the statements or you will not do sum, if you only do sums, that is your incomplete word problem. So for complete word problem or story sum, you have to make picture with it also according to the question. Statements, again I am going to revise statements, sum, and in the end you will write answer statements. Now another story sum. There are 225 bars of soap in a box. How many bars are there in a dozen boxes? So what is given information here? 225 bars of soap. And where these bars of soap are put? In a box. And how many boxes are? 12 boxes. So what we are going to find? You will tell how many bars are put in 12 boxes. Dozen means 12. Dozen means 12. First we will write the statement of the first sentence. There are 225 bars of soap in a box. Read word problem 2 to 3 times carefully and then circle the information which is given. Then start writing statements. So there are 225 bars of soap in a box. So number of bars of soap in a box. First statement, number of bars of soap in a box. Each is given now. So how many bars are put? 225. 225. What is dozen? So there are, how many bars are there in a dozen boxes? It means that there are 12 boxes are there. Number of boxes. How many? Number of boxes. How many? 12. Very good. Excuse me. Number of boxes is equal to 12. How many bars are there in a dozen boxes? So we will use total. In a box there are 220. When there are 12 boxes, so how many? It means you have more. Then you will write here the word total. Total number of bars where in 12 boxes or dozen boxes, same, 12 boxes. There are two methods of doing this sum. One is of addition and another is multiplication. But addition will take too much time and it's long time. But multiplication you can do easily. You can't count 225 boxes in bars in one box, then in the second, and keep on doing till 12. So it's difficult to add. So what will you do? Very good, you will multiply. Multiplication is the short form of, multiplication is the repeated form of addition. Now we are going to multiply as we have done in the previous video. We have learned how to multiply. Use ruler. Use ruler. Draw a line. 225 I have written separately because you have to write one digit in each square. So 225 multiply by 12. First we will start multiplying by ones. Very good. And hide tens. 225 multiply by 2. So start multiplying by digit at the ones place. 2 5s are 10. 0 down. 1 carry. Above tens. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 carry, it becomes 5. So write 5 below tens. Again 2 multiply by 2, which this digit is at 100 place. So 2 times 4, there is no carry. So you will write 4 as it is. Cut this carry. If you get again carry, you will not add it again by mistake. So which number you are going to multiply? This is place of 10, not 1. It is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 is at the ones place and 10 is, this one is at tens place. So we are going to multiply by 10. So what will you do? We will, very good, you will put 0 and hide this 2. You can put a razor, sharpener, whatever you like. Now start multiplying 225 by 1. So 1 5 times, 5, multiplying by the tens, 1 2 times, 2 again, 1 2 times 2. You will write 2 in the next square. Now we have multiplied 225 by 10 and this answer is 2250. But this is not complete answer. What will we do next? Very good. We will add. So for addition sign, then use ruler and write all digits in columns. For ones in ones column, tens, hundred, and then thousand. Line and underline also. 0 plus 0, very good, 0. All units are coming in the same line, or ones are coming in the same line. Now 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1 right here, above 100. 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. There is no carry and no other number, so 2 as it is. Put comma after 100, ones, tens, 100. So product is 2700. But in multiplication sums you will not write here product, because we are going to write the answer statement. So total number of bars in the 12 boxes are 2700. Now we will write the answer. Answer statement, we will start with the word so, then put comma. So there are 2700, what are these? Bars of soap in a dozen boxes. In a dozen boxes. Dozen means 12. In a dozen boxes. Okay, students, that's all for today. Keep revising tables on daily basis. Take care. Allah Hafiz.